Welcome to ONEX RF. We offer RF welding machines for manufacturing medical devices with excellent process consistency and 90% fewer arcs. Introducing the ONEX Rotary RF Welders. RF Roto S3. The small rotary RF sealer offers a compact footprint for small cleanroom spaces, designed to seal 250 to 500 milliliters medical solution bags with ports. RF Roto M4. The 96-inch rotary RF welder is designed to seal medical pouches and air bladders with ports. The solid design platform comes perfectly aligned and offers open access from the back for die installation and alignment. All the sealing dies use dowel pins for proper alignment. RFPS Roto X4. The precision rotary RF sealer with print station uses 2 stations, designed to RF seal medical solution bags and print artwork in the second operation. The nests are aligned by a special mechanism for RF sealing leak-free 500 to 1000 milliliter solution bags 2 at a time. ONEX RF sealers use hybrid RF generator technology for unmatched process control. They are paired with an impedance match network, designed to sense and automatically reduce the reflected energy. The ONEX RF welders are easy to validate because of the closed-loop process control used by the hybrid generator technology. The generator power and sealing process parameters are set in the PLC through the PC-based HMI. The generator is designed to operate with local controls or remote PLC. Let's turn the generator on. Then press reset. Turn high voltage on. Set RF on timer. Turn RF power on. And monitor generator operation. Our generators are designed to detect and stop arcs 10 times faster than any other RF welder. As proof, we inserted a copper foil between the film layers and sealed the bag in front of the customer. The process was interrupted once the arc was detected without any die damage. For better seal consistency, we use circulating water to thermally control the die temperature, which also helps increase repeatability. We also use a chiller to cool capacitors inside the high-power matching network. If you need RF welders to seal your products consistently, contact ONEX RF for free process evaluation and a quote.